नमस्कार, वेलकम टू OPSC OS A to Z. So 2017 OPSC OS प्रिलिमिनारी क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 जाए आम लास्ट वीडियोज कवर कर सारी जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि कवर कर नियंतु. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. Which of the following is not a cause of growing consumer goods market in India? Options are growth of middle class in India, urbanization, liberalization of policy of government, growing inequality in India. Its correct answer is growing inequality in India. Consumer goods market is a category of stocks and companies that relate to items purchased by individual and households rather than by manufacturer and industries. So next question को जीवा. NAFED is a cooperative organization of the state level, national level, district level, panchayat level. Its correct answer is national level. NAFED व National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, founded on 2nd October of 1958 and registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Next, NAFED is an apex organization under the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, deal with the marketing cooperatives for agricultural produce in India. Its objective is to organize, promote and develop marketing, processing and storage of agricultural, horticultural and forest produce, to distribute agricultural machinery, implements and other inputs, undertake interstate and import and export trade, to act and assist for technical advice in agricultural production, for the promotion and the working of its members, partners, associates and cooperative marketing, to supply warehouse. So next question को जीवा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 को. प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना is run by scheduled commercial bank, Department of Finance Services, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Rural Development, Reserve Bank of India. Its correct answer is Department of Finance Services, Ministry of Finance. So प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना थ्रू आपनकर zero balance account can be opened by the individual and it was launched in August 2014. This is a national mission for financial inclusion. Some of the financial services are offered to individual are pension, insurance and banking. So next question को जीवा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. What does it mean by human capital formation? Options are development of infrastructure for the economy, development of abilities and skills of people, increase in the stock of machines, equipment, buildings in the economy, growth of bank deposits. Its correct answer is development of abilities and skills of people. फैक्टर जोड़ा कि आपणकर ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन रे अफेक्ट करे your skills and qualification, intelligence, social skills like your communication, work experience, judgment, creativity, geography, education levels. These are the factors which affect your human capital formation. So right answer is option B, development of abilities and skills of people. So 65 question को जीवा. The main argument to establish special economic zones in India is options are to give a boost to export of manufactured goods, to promote export to agricultural goods, to give a boost to domestic demand for manufactured goods. None of the above. Its correct answer is to give a boost to export of manufactured good. So option A is your correct answer. The special economic zone was announced by the government in March 2000. It provides a stable economic environment for the promotion of export-import of goods in a quick, efficient and free manner. Its objective are generation of additional economic activity, promotion of investment from domestic and foreign sources, creation of employment opportunities, development of infrastructure facilities. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जाए क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 को जननी सुरक्षा योजना इज ए 100% सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम 100% state sponsored scheme center and state has 50-50 share fully sponsored by the private sector. Its correct answer is option A 100% centrally sponsored scheme. Through this scheme cash assistance with delivery and post delivery care is 6,000 rupees. So next question को जिबा question number 67 inclusive growth in India can be achieved through a progressive tax, through a regressive tax, through a proportional tax by completely scrapping all taxes. Its correct answer is through a progressive tax. Inclusive growth means economic growth that creates employment opportunities and helps in reducing poverty. It is an environmental friendly growth. So through progressive tax inclusive growth in India can be achieved. Progressive tax system is a tax system that increases rates at as taxable income goes up, like your investment income taxes, tax on interest earned, rental earnings, estate tax credits. So next is regressive tax कहले आम कौन बुझू तो it is a system levies the same percentage on the products or goods purchased regardless of the buyer's income and is thought to be disproportionately difficult for low earners. सो आपणकर रिग्रेसिव टैक्स कहले जोटा आपणकर एग्जांपल है प्रॉपर्टी टैक्सेस है सेल टैक्स एंड ऑन गुड्स एक्साइज टैक्सेस ये सब है आपणकर रिग्रेसिव टैक्सेस. प्रोपोर्शनल टैक्स कहले इट अप्लाइज टू द सेम टैक्स रेट टू ऑल इंडिविजुअल रिगार्डलेस ऑफ इनकम. एग्जांपल है ऑक्युपेशनल टैक्सेस पर कैपिटा टैक्सेस. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जिबा payment banks are question number 68. Payment banks are different from other commercial bank in following ways. These banks only accept deposits, only provide payments and remittance services, only distribute third party financial service financial products, accept deposit, provide payments, remittance services, distribute third party financial products but are not allowed to lend or issue cards. So its correct answer is option D. पेमेंट पर बैंक और कमर्शियल बैंक भितर डिफरेंस आम देखी ना. पेमेंट बैंक रे अप टू 1 लाख जाए आप अमाउंट डिपोजिट करें बट इन कमर्शियल बैंक देयर इज नो सच लिमिट. क्रेडिट कार्ड्स एंड लोन्स provides only in debit card. No credit cards facilities is available in payment bank. But commercial bank both credit and debit card provide करे. मिनिमम बैलेंस किसी दरकार नहीं आपनकर पेमेंट बैंक पाई बट कमर्शियल बैंक पाई मिनिमम बैलेंस रिक्वायर्ड. NRI deposits cannot be accepted in payment bank but commercial bank accept NRI deposits. आपनकर पेमेंट बैंक रो केतोटी एग्जांपल है एयरटेल पेमेंट बैंक, इंडिया पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक. So next question number 69 को जिबा usual principal status employment is measured in number of person who didn't find even an hour of work during the survey week, number of person who remained unemployed for a major part of the year, number of person who didn't find work in a day or some days during the survey week, none of the above. Its correct answer is option B, number of person who remained unemployed for a major part of the year. Mostly seman को कुआजे अनएम्प्लॉयड. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 को तेंदुलकर कमिटी वाज अपॉइंटेड ऑन पॉवर्टी एस्टिमेशन, इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर रिफॉर्म्स, बैंक फ्रॉड्स एंड पब्लिक वेलफेयर. इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज पॉवर्टी एस्टिमेशन पे तेंदुलकर कमिटी इन 2005 रे एस्टाब्लिश्ड हेतिला. एंड सो नेक्स्ट जीवा सी राव कमिटी आपनकर कोथि फॉर्मेशन होता एग्रीकल्चरल पॉलिसी पाई. आउ भी मन रखु लोधा कमिटी टू रिकमेंड रिफॉर्म्स फॉर क्रिकेट इन इंडिया फॉर्मेशन होता. नरसिम्हन कमिटी आपनकर बैंकिंग रिफॉर्म्स फॉर्मड होता. ये केतोटी कमिटी आप OPSC प्रीलिम्स आगु मन रखिके जीवे. सो थैंक यू.